Jason, yun nga, with Ginebra Magnolia on Sunday,
Yeah.
and LA on the injured reserve, there might be talk na baka mamaya ilagay nyo si LA i-activate nyo si LA, syempre knowing the magnitude of that game. Ano bang plano in case?
It's something that LA and I have not discussed yet, no? But I think if you're looking at the possibilities or the probabilities, I think there's a greater probability na he'll be starting in the injured reserve, just because during the preseason, karamihan nung late na rin siya naka-start mag-practice sa amin. Inatupag niya talaga. He put a lot of time first in the training of the boys. We will, I think the day to wait is Saturday afternoon para malaman yung final na lineup na gagamitin namin for Sunday's game. So, I mean, it's exciting. I'm not sure for the Ginebra fans if it's exciting for them or not. Diba? Dahil first time nila kung mangyari ba, first time nila makikita si LA na nakakula, na hindi nakapula. Diba? So, but we'll have a final decision come Saturday afternoon. Saturday 12 noon.